Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. I will discuss about icon sets in conditional formatting after the basics of conditional formatting. In this example, if you click the conditional formatting button, you will notice few stylish icons are available. These icons are grouped as directional, shapes, indicators and ratings. Before going to detailed discussion, please note that almost all icon sets work in same concept. Icons are good tool to make it very easy to visualize the value in a range of cells. Each icon represents a set of values. We can customize the base value of icon sets. One more thing to note that in icon sets there are two types of icon sets available: 3 color scale and 4 color scale. In this Excel sheet, the data range of product 1 is from 1 to 99. Let's apply icon sets in this column. Select the data. Go to conditional formatting, directional. If you hover over the icons, it will show you how it will appear in the data. I will select the first icon sets. Excel automatically analyzes the data and fixes parameters, but we will customize it. When the data range is selected, go to Conditional Formatting button and click the Manage Rules option, which will open a new window, Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. We have 3 buttons here: New Rule, Edit Rule and Delete Rule. In this example, we already have a rule and we need to edit the rule. Therefore, we will click the Edit Rule button. Another new window opens, Edit Formatting Rules. We have numerous rule types, but we will work with the first one. Here is Format Style. Let it be as icon sets. In the icon style, you can change the style again. The important options are in this portion. You can change any icon from here, but remember, using same icon will contradict your condition. We leave this as it is for now. In the value field, we have 2 options, greater than and greater than. Equal to, we can change the values from this text box. But before changing the value, let us change the type. It is showing %. Click this drop down and select the number. We are working with numbers. Change the next icon set's value. Change the type as number. Notice the value is showing greater than equal to option. Let it be. Type 30 in the values box. If I hit tab, please note the overall condition is changed. So now, if we carefully observe the formula which will be used to determine the icon is green upward arrow when the cell value is greater than equal to 50. Horizontal yellow arrow when the cell value is less than 50 and greater than equal to 30. The last condition is if cell value is less than 30, then red downward arrow. Click OK. We are back in the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager. Click Apply, then click OK to complete the job. Now let's test the rule. In E2 cell, we have 49 and showing the yellow horizontal arrow. Change it to 50. The icon changed from yellow to green upward. Type 99. The icon still showing green upward. It is okay. We are good so far. Now let's check the lower boundary. Change the figure below 30. Type 27. The icon changed to red downward. All the icon sets work in the same concept. Sometimes we need to show the icons only hiding the values. Let me show you how to do this. Select the data range, click on Conditional Formatting button, click on Edit Rules button, tick this option show icons only. Click apply, then OK, or you can directly click the OK button. Align it as center. Data is hidden, but in the formula bar, the data can be seen. You can prepare good looking reports based on this tool. I will show you in another video. Hit like and click on the subscribe button to get notification on Excel tutorials. For your revision, in icon sets in the conditional formatting, I will show you the steps again. Please watch how I use these various icon sets. Note, like other conditional formatting, to remove the conditional formatting, click on the conditional formatting button, then in the second last option, choose your desired option. Please like and click the subscribe button to get free video notification in Excel. Thank you for your interest.